Most developers run git merge without thinking about what actually happens underneath. A fast-forward merge is only possible in one specific situation. Imagine you're on main at commit C. You branch off, then add commits D and E on the feature branch. Here is the key. While you're working, nobody pushed any new commits to main. Main is still sitting at C. Your feature branch is directly ahead of main with a clean, unbroken line connecting them. So what does git do when you run git merge? It does not create anything new. It simply slides the main branch pointer forward from C all the way to E, your latest feature commit. No merge commit. No extra history added. Both branches now point to the exact same commit. That is the fast forward. The pointer moves forward through existing commits. Compare this to a three-way merge. Here, main has new commits since you branched. The histories have diverged. Git cannot just move a pointer, so it creates a new merge commit with two parents, one from each branch. It tries fast forward automatically whenever possible. To force a merge commit regardless, pass the .noff flag. Either way, a successful fast forward leaves you with a perfectly linear commit history. A fast forward merge simply moves the branch pointer when history is linear, no merge commit needed. Practice by running git log.one line before and after a merge. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.